Fuji. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Birthday trip ni Pogi Boy. Okay, see you later. Ang biyahe na to mula Tokyo papuntang Kawaguchiko ay humigit kumulang 2 oras. Nag-book kami ng pribadong sasakyan na may driver at sinundo kami mismo sa hotel. Gusto namin makaalis ng maaga kaya nagpasundo kami ng 7:30 AM. Dumating yung driver namin ng 7:20 AM. Kahapon lang kami nagdesisyong tumuloy at kahapon lang din namin na-book ang trip na to dahil alam naming malaki ang posibilidad na makita ang Mount Fuji ngayon. Panoorin nyo hanggang katapusan ng video na to para sa mga tips kung paano mas mapapataas ang posibilidad na makita ninyo ang Mount Fuji. Nag-check kami kahapon kaya alam namin na makikita namin si Fuji-san today. Stop by kami ngayon dito sa I don't know where we are actually. For a bathroom break. Ayan, may snow na sa ground. Dahan-dahan, madulas. Ay, madulas. How are you? Smoke check. Usok check. Ito yung stopover namin on the way to Mount Fuji. Hindi namin akalain na magkakasnow sa trip na to. But, pleasant surprise! Do you want to buy anything?
No.
Ay, look at that! That's so cute! Okay, this is a very nice stopover. Pupunta kami sa cable car. Ropeway. The lake. bibili for us. Siya na lang bibili for us. You're gonna buy 4 tickets. Tuningal ako dun. Medyo matarik siya. Matarik yung pinanggalingan namin. Ayan na si Fuji. Teka lang. Ano ba yan? Okay. At mahangin pa dito sa taas. Ganun. Hi, Fuji-san. Okay. Dito tayo magpa-picture. Ayan siya. Ang ganda niya. At ang kicker doon, ayan, sobrang ganda niya. Okay. Flower Park. So, dito daw kami sa Flower Park. Tignan natin kung maraming flowers. So far, kasi winter ngayon. So, ayan, ang mga trees wala ng dahon. So, malamang wala ring flowers. Pero, oh, hi! Swerte tayo sa araw na yan.
Right side is a good spot to take picture. They can mount fully together.
Oh, yeah.
And left side is a building. Inside building is they're selling ice cream.
Maybe the ice cream here is different.
That's right here. Blueberry and lavender.
Oh, wait. So, yeah, wala nga akong flowers today.
Enjoy your time.
Thank you. Oh, ayan si Mount Fuji. Kita ba? Ayan. So close. Ice cream, mag-ice cream na yan ulit. Hokkaido milk yan, ng creamy yan. Uy! Ayun! Score! 800 lang. I guess. So, sabi ni Mr. Faisal, our tour guide driver, 3 daw pala tong Lawsons dito. So, merong isa kaming nadaanan kanina, katabi na ng station. Pero hindi ito yun. Malayo ito dun sa train station. Pero, marami rin tao dito. It's very popular. Turn off natin. Ayan siya. Ayan si Mount Fuji. Ayan si Lawson. Dami nagpupuntas. Wala silang kamote ngayon. Wala silang kamote ngayon. Okay, labas na tayo. Dito kami tinuro ng tour guide namin for lunch. Tapos tingnan mo naman yung view. Kita ba? Parang ito yung view namin habang kumakain. Kain na kami.
Cash only. We learned to Japanese pickled vegetable.
Yung soup na lang, okay.
Very tasty. So, anong titirahin?
おめさまです。今順番でお伺いしております。
tips for making sure that you have the best chances of seeing Mount Fuji. First, you want to go during the winter months. That's from December to February. Mas dry ang hangin kaya most likely the skies will be clear. Plus, sa winter nyo lang makikita yung iconic snow-capped peak ng Mount Fuji. Second, go early in the morning, if possible before 9 a.m. dahil mas less ang clouds. As you can see, hapon na ngayon kaya medyo may clouds na. Third, look at the visibility index forecast. Yes, meron pong website that predicts how visible Mount Fuji will be. Tiningnan namin yun kahapon before we made this trip and it was 10 out of 10. And last, may mga live cams all over Japan. Meron din dito sa area ng Mount Fuji. Kaya check the live cams before you finalize your trip. Yun lang po. Good luck sa inyo. If you want to see Mount Fuji in the future, please consider these tips.